Hi, today we have come with a review of this interesting product. It is called screwdriver magnetic ring. It's about 6.35 mm and it's a metal strong magnetic screw for hex screwdriver bits. The rating is about 4.7 centimeter, 4.7 stars. And it's a very interesting device. You can put this in front of your drill machine and it easily fits in it, and then there is a magnetic on it. So after drilling you can put a screwdriver on it and you can screw the screw with the same drill machine. You don't have to do it manually. And the price is only about 70 cents. It came very fast. I will do another video explaining how to install it on the drill machine, but the product seems very nice. The quality is also very nice. So it has fine workmanship on it. It's high efficiency and long service life. It accurately locks screws and tightly snap while reducing abrasion to the screw and the screwdriver. It's very easy to use. Just insert the screwdriver into the magnetic ring and it can easily pick up because of the magnetic power. It's perfect for hexagon screwdriver bits with flat diameter of 6.3 centimeter or half inch. It's made of stainless steel and it has other color also available, but this one is red. The length is about 0.87 inches and the whole diameter is about 6.3 mm or 0.25 inch. It is important because it helps in screwing the thing. Please like our video and share it. If you have any question, please ask us or call us, or sales department will immediately answer you. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.